Hello and welcome. I'm your host and speaker Kokila, and I'm data engineer at Infometry. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. In today's webinar, I will be talking about Databricks. You will live with Databricks and how it can help you. Feel free to drop questions on the topic or share your struggles and experiences during this live session. We will answer your queries through chat. Let's start the session. This session is organized by Infometry. We are a pure play data analytics company based out of Fremont, California, with our offshore development center in Bangalore, India. We came into Inception back in 2010, and since then, we have been offering domain specific analytics solutions for high tech, energy, life sciences, retail, manufacturing, and finance customers. Being a data analytics software services and solutions provider, we focus on delivering a predictive and prescriptive analytics solutions, cloud data warehouse implementation, data governance, enterprise service bus, microservices-based integration solutions, big data, cloud DevOps, Salesforce CRM, and product engineering, etc. Infometry has been an engineering and consulting services partner for companies like Informatica, Matillion, Snowflake, Tableau, Adaptive Insights, Looker, etc. Infometry offers domain-specific analytics solutions for high-tech, energy, life sciences, retail, manufacturing, and finance customers. In addition to the services, we have also developed more than 15 cloud connectors for IICS. One mentioned under Blue Docs are developed and owned by us, and the rest are all developed by us only for organizations like Informatica, SAP, Calidus, etc. We have developed state-of-the-art analytics solutions InfoFiscus, which can be hooked to any on-prem or cloud CRM or ERP or planning apps. InfoFiscus is 100% cloud-based pre-built analytics software developed using open architecture. InfoFiscus comes in three different layers: finance, supply chain, and sales and marketing analytics. We are delighted to announce the launch of the next generation InfoFiscus Sales Analytics Snowflake native application, which aims to streamline sales analytics for customers using Salesforce, Marketo, and Snowflake. That's our quick introduction. And now let's move to our today's agenda. These are the topics which we cover in this session. So unlock the power of our data with Databricks. In today's data-driven world, organizations are collecting more data than ever before. But what good is data if you can't unlock its potential? So Databricks is a unified platform that empowers you to manage the entire data lifecycle from data ingestion and storage to analytics and AI. In this webinar, we will explore what Databricks is, why you should consider using it, the advantages it offers, and take a deep dive into its underlying architecture. So now, let's know what is Databricks. Databricks is a powerful data and AI platform. Simplify the process of working with big data and machine learning, founded by the creators of Apache Spark in 2013. It provides a unified and collaborative environment for data engineers, data scientists, and business analysts to unlock insights from their data. So Databricks is a revolutionary platform for big data. It's a one-stop shop for all your data and AI needs. Databricks leverages the power of Apache Spark, a leading open source big data processing engine, to handle even the most complex workloads. Because it's cloud-based, Databricks is highly scalable and can grow with your business needs. Additionally, Databricks is designed to be user-friendly even for those who are new to big data, and with robust security features, we can be confident that your data is safe and secure. So now let's move on to the advantages of Databricks. So it support for multiple frameworks, libraries, scripting languages, and IDEs. Databricks supports a vast ecosystem of popular data science and machine learning tools. This includes frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib, scripting languages like Python, R, and SQL, and IDEs like JupyterLab and RStudio. So this wide range of compatibility allows a data scientists and analysts to choose the tools they are already familiar with, reducing the learning curve and accelerating their work. Additionally, it fosters collaboration across teams with different technical backgrounds. So Databricks delivers a unified data analytic platform. So Databricks acts as a central hub for all your data and AI activities. It brings together data ingestion, storage, processing, analytics, and machine learning into a single platform. This unified approach simplifies data workflows, eliminates the need for multiple tools, and streamlines collaboration between data scientists, analysts, and business users. Everyone can work together in the same environment, reducing friction and improving productivity. Now, if we come to the flexibility, so it's flexible across different ecosystem like AWS, GCP, Azure. Databricks is cloud agnostic. You can deploy it on your preferred cloud platform, as said, be it AWS, GCP, or Azure. So this flexibility gives you control over your data infrastructure and avoids vendor lock-in. You can choose the cloud platform that best suits your existing IT environment and cost requirement. Now, if we come to the reliability and scalability through data lake, Databricks integrates with Delta Lake, an open source storage layer optimized for big data. Delta Lake offers features like ACID transactions, schema enforcement, and data versioning. Delta Lakes ensure data reliability and consistency even when dealing with large and complex datasets. Schema enforcement improves data quality and reduces errors. Data versioning allows you to revert to previous versions if necessary. And additionally, Delta Lake scales efficiently to handle massive data sets. Now, if we come to the visualization, Databricks offers basic data visualization tools. You can create charts and graphs to explore and understand your data. While not a full-fledged data visualization suite, these built-in tools provide a quick and easy way to get started with data exploration and communication. For more advanced visualization needs, Databricks integrates with popular data visualization libraries like Plotly and Tableau. And if we come to machine learning capabilities, AutoML and model lifecycle management through MLflow. Databricks integrates with MLflow, an open source platform for managing the machine learning lifecycles. MLflow allows you to track experiments, manage models, and deploy them into production. MLflow automates manual tasks associated with machine learning, streaming the development and deployment process. It helps you track and compare different experiments, ensuring reproducibility and improving the overall quality of your machine learning models. If we come to the speed, so it is 10x faster ETLs. Databricks claims to offer significantly faster extract, transform, load processing compared to traditional tools. This is due to its distributed processing architecture and in-memory computing capabilities. Faster ETL process mean you can get insights from your data quicker. This allows you to make data-driven decisions faster and react to changing business conditions in real time. Now, if we come to cost, it reduces cost. Databricks can help you reduce cost in several ways by eliminating the need for multiple data management tools and the associated infrastructure. You can streamline your data operations. Now, if we come to Databricks, how it acts as a powerful tool for every stage of the data journey. So Databricks is not just a single tool. It's a unified platform designed to empower different data professionals throughout the data lifecycle. So let's delve deeper into how Databricks cater to the specific needs of data analysts, data engineer, and machine learning professionals. So now come from the data analyst, unlocking insights with speed and collaboration. So if we come to the SQL, it's on steroids. Databricks SQL is not our typical SQL environment. It allows analysts to leverage familiar SQL syntax to query massive datasets stored within Databricks or even external data sources. This removes the barrier of complex distributed processing, making large-scale data analysis accessible. And its interactive exploration playground. Databricks notebooks are the analyst playground. These interactive environments let analysts write queries, visualize results on the fly, and iterate on their analysis quickly. Imagine seamlessly testing hypotheses and uncovering hidden patterns within the same workspace. And visualization made easy. Gone are the days of clunky data exports for visualization. Databricks integrates seamlessly with popular visualization libraries like Plotly and ggplot2. Analysts can create stunning and informative dashboards and reports directly within notebooks, saving them valuable time and effort. And if you come to collaboration, Databricks fosters a collaborative spirit by allowing analysts to share notebooks and dashboards. This facilitates knowledge transfer, promotes teamwork, and ensures everyone is on the same page when it comes to data insights. And self-service analytics at its finest. Databricks empowers analysts with a degree of self-sufficiency. They can perform basic data exploration tasks without relying solely on data engineers, leading to faster turnaround times and increased agility. Now let us move on to the data engineers, building scalable data pipelines with confidence. So it's having streamlined ETL pipelines. Databricks offers tools like Data Lake and structured streaming, acting as a data engineering Swiss Army knife. These tools help build robust and scalable data pipelines for efficient data ingestion, transformation, and loading. So if we come to the automation, repetitive tasks like data cleaning and transformation can be automated within Databricks notebooks. This frees up data engineers to focus on more strategic initiatives, improving overall efficiency. So taming the big data beast, Apache Spark, the kind of distributed processing is deeply integrated with Databricks. This allows data engineers to handle complex and massive data sets with ease, ensuring smooth data flow across the entire organization. And if we come to monitoring and optimization, Databricks provides a comprehensive monitoring and optimization toolkit for data pipelines. Engineers can identify bottlenecks, optimize resource utilization, and ensure the smooth flow of data throughout the system. And if we come to version control for a peace of mind, Databricks notebooks integrate with version control systems, allowing data engineers to track changes, collaborate effectively, and revert to previous versions if needed. This fosters a safe and controlled development environment. Now let us move on to the data scientist or machine learning engineers, training and deploying models at scale. So it is a one-stop shop for model and development. Databricks notebooks provide a unified platform data for data scientists and ML engineers to work together seamlessly. They can train and deploy various machine learning models using popular libraries like TensorFlow and scikit-learn, all within the familiar notebook environment. ML flow integration for a streamlined workflow. Databricks integrates with MLflow, a powerful tool for experiment tracking, model registry, and deployment. This streamlines the entire machine learning lifecycle from experimentation to production deployment. So training complex models often requires significant computational power. Databricks offers a scalable cloud infrastructure that can handle the demands of training even the most resource-intensive models on large datasets. If we come to collaboration, just like data analysts, data scientists, and ML engineers can leverage Databricks notebooks to collaborate on projects. This fosters knowledge sharing, accelerates development cycles, and ensures everyone is aligned on model development and deployment strategies. And GPU power is at your fingertips. For computationally intensive tasks like deep learning, Databricks offers access to GPUs. This allows ML engineers to train complex models significantly faster, leading to faster development cycles and quicker time to insights. By empowering each data professional with the right tools and fostering collaboration, Databricks creates a powerful ecosystem where data flows seamlessly throughout the organization. This translates to faster decision making, better insights, and ultimately a competitive edge. Databricks empowers data professionals by providing the right tools and fostering collaboration. So now if we come to individual, a data analyst can quickly analyze data, create visualization, and work collaboratively. Data engineers can build and manage efficient data pipelines, automate tasks, and handle big data with ease. And ML engineers can develop, train, deploy models efficiently, collaborate effectively, and leverage powerful infrastructure. By supporting each role effectively, Databricks ensures that data flows seamlessly throughout the organization, leading to faster decision making, better insights, and a competitive edge. So this slide shows how from islands to one lands. It means it suggests that Databricks can help organizations move from a fragmented data landscape, that is island, to a unified and cohesive data platform, that is to one line. So this is a fragmented data landscape, data analyst, ML engineer, data engineer, and engineer. This represents various roles within an organization that likely work with data, but in silos. And this is a disconnected circles. This disconnected circle symbolize the isolated nature of these roles and their data related activities. And this image shows unified data platform with Databricks. Here, data analyst, data engineer, and ML engineer. These roles are still present, but now within a connected circle. So this connected circle represents a unified data platform where different roles and their data related activities converge and collaborate. So what is the overall message is the slide conveys that Databricks can help organization break down data silos, improve collaboration between data related roles, and create a more efficient and effective data ecosystem. Now let's move on to the architecture of the Databricks. So Databricks architecture, it is separated into two planes. One is control plane and another one is data plane. Control plane. It manages the user interface, workspace environments, security configuration, and cluster lifecycles. So data plane, it is responsible for executing computations and processing data. It consists of clusters and storage. The Databricks architecture is elegantly designed with a clear separation between the control plane and the data plane. This separation offers several advantages, including scalability, security, and manageability. Now, if we come to control plane, this is the brain of the operation, responsible for managing the user interface, workspace environments, security configuration, and entire lifecycle of clusters. Users interact with Databricks through the control plane, accessing notebooks, creating jobs and managing clusters. The control plane also enforces security policies and ensures that only authorized users have access to data and resources. Now, if you move to the data plane, this is where the heavy lifting happens. The data plane consists of clusters and storage responsible for executing computations and processing data. Clusters are a group of virtual machines that work together to run a data processing task. Databricks provide different cluster configuration to optimize for various workloads. The data plane also interacts with various storage solutions to access, process, and store data. Now to get hands-on Databricks, let's move on to Databricks Community Edition. So first we have to register, search Databricks Community Edition in Google, then try Databricks for free. So once you have entered that, you will get this screen. Here you have to fill all your details. After entering the details, click on continue. Then the screen will comes after that. As we know, it supports multiple cloud like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. But how actually we build Community Edition is not selecting any cloud provider. So go get started with Community Edition. Click on this. After that, it will ask for verification. Once you solve this, it will ask for email verification. Then you can log in using your email ID. So here I logged in using my email ID. So once you log in, you are able to see the screen. So in Community Edition, these are the options available. If you see the paid version, these are the additional options present in paid version. Those are SQL, data engineering, and more features in machine learning. So now let's move on to the Community Edition. So in Community Edition, for doing practical, first we have to go to Compute to create cluster. So here a cluster, it is easy to set up, fully managed, and configure Spark engine where notebooks runs and auto scales based on load. And it terminate after a set time of inactivity. And we can also create notebooks. So it is an interface to interact with Databricks. It can be in Python, R, Scala, or SQL for code. And we can also run a notebooks on schedule by using jobs. It set alerts for job failure or timeouts. It set number of retries if job fails, and it also set wait time between retries. So now let's move on to create the cluster. In order to create the cluster, you can go to new, and also here also you can create the cluster, or go to compute and create compute here. So here you have to give the cluster name. And create compute. So actually it provide a 15 GB free memory for the Community Edition user, and it will automatically terminate after an idle period of 1 or 2 hours. So now it's creating the cluster. In the meanwhile, let us move on to the notebook. So now create notebook. For that, click on new and select notebook here. Here you can rename the notebook. Here you can see options like SQL, Python, Scala, and R. You can select any of that. And in right hand side, you should connect to your cluster. Databricks practice is the cluster just now I have created, and it is starting. Once it is connected, then only we are able to execute here. So here, let's take one sample table. So this is our sample table. In this data, actually, we have to do analysis and to do certain KPI. Let's see whether it is connected. Yeah, just it is connected. Here you can do analysis. So now let's move on to create table. Go to catalog and create table. Now we have different options like upload file, S3 or other data sources. Click here and upload file here. So this is the file which we are going to upload. So now this is file got uploaded to DBFS location, Databricks file system. So in a Databricks file system, files are typically stored in file store, tables, and under a table name. So you can access these files using the path /file store /table your table name. Here you are uploading to Databricks file system. This step ensures that your data file is stored in a centralized persistent location that Databricks can access. So if we load into data frame that allows you to read the data from Databricks file system into a Spark data frame, enabling data manipulation, analysis, and querying. Now we are creating table with UI. So create table with UI. Select the cluster. And preview the table, which you now just uploaded. And this is the table name it has taken. Or give you a table name. So file type is CSV. Actually, it doesn't select the first row as a header. So now select first row as header. Now create table. So you can see the sample data as well as schema here. This is the table name. Now go to notebook. This is the notebook just now you have created. And now you can perform the analysis on your table. So you can write, you can use any language, SQL, Python, or Scala. Now I am using SQL. So let's see tables. So show tables. So here you have to select the cluster. Now run the query. So now it is showing the table which you just uploaded. Now select all the columns from the table. Now you are able to see the data in this particular table. You can describe the table. It will describe all the column names with its data type. So now let's try to do analysis. So on this table, let's do gender-wise annual salary. So for that, select gender and find the sum of annual salary. From your table. And group by gender. So now you can see the sum of annual salary based on the gender. So for female, it is 28 lakhs 29,346, and for the male 22 lakhs 36,453. So here it is showing in tabular format. So now we can also see in visualization. So click on plus and go to visualization. And here you can see the gender wise annual salary, sum of annual salary. You can here you can select the visualization type, whether it may be a bar chart, or you can select any type of the chart, and you can select the gender. Here we have selected the sum, so you can select average and all. So you can see sum and do group by. You can see the value also, and you can see in different bar charts or line chart or pie chart. So you can, now we are selecting bar chart, and you can also save this result. Now for this query, the result is stored in both. You can see in table format as well as in the visualization. You can see the occupation, distinct occupation. From your table. So these are the distinct occupation. In the same way, you can see the visualization also. So this is how you can use the Databricks Community Edition for your practice. And you can also see the result in both the tabular format and also in the visualization format. If you have any queries, you can ask.
Yeah, hi Kokila. I have a question. Am I audible?
Yeah, Alekya.
Yeah, Kokila.
Yeah.
What are the limitations of the Databricks Community Edition compared to the paid versions?
This community edition is having so many constraints like resource constraints and feature constraints and all. So here this community edition provides only a smaller cluster size and fewer compute resources compared to paid versions. And also this community edition may not include all the advanced features and capabilities found in the paid versions. And also if you come to the support and maintenance, so it may not have same level of support as the paid versions, and which often include priority support and dedicated support teams here. And if you come to the maintenance and updates, it may receive updates and maintenance less frequently compared to the paid version. And also we have usage restrictions and usage limits. Yeah, thank you for asking, Alekya.
Thank you, Kokila.
Hi, Kokila. Sandhya here.
Yes,
I have a question. Like, what are the different types of notebooks available in Databricks?
So in Databricks, we have Spark SQL Notebook, Python Notebook, Scala Notebook, SQL and Iceberg Notebook, and Delta Live Table Notebook, and Databricks SQL Notebook. These are the notebooks we have in this.
Yeah.
Databricks.
Okay, Kokila. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
Hi, Kokila. Aditi here.
Yeah, Aditi.
I have a question. Can we use the community edition for production workloads?
No. Community edition we can't use. So this edition is mainly designed for development, testing, and learning purposes. So we can't use for the production workloads. For that, we need large cluster size, priority support we need, and enterprise grade features are required. So it's we can't use.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So any other questions?
Yeah, Kokila, hi.
Yeah.
This is Priyanshu. So, like, how does Databricks handle collaboration between team members?
So here we have shared workspace. So by using team members can work simultaneously on the same notebook, and changes are updated in real time, allowing for live collaboration and discuss. And also we can do the version control in this itself by using the Git integration. So user can integrate notebooks with Git repositories for version control and collaboration, and also commenting and annotations by sharing clusters and scheduling jobs and automation. And we can also access control and also integration with collaboration tools, real-time visualization and dashboards. We can use collaborative development environments. So by using all this, we can handle the collaboration between team members.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Pranj.
Yeah, thank you, Kokila, for this amazing session. And
Yeah.
thank you all for joining us today. I hope you guys found the session informative and insightful. And for future webinars, I would request everyone to follow our LinkedIn page. You'll get the details about the future webinars. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.